If you want to showcase your best-selling products in a dynamic eye-catching slider, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a featured product slider to Shopify store with no coding needed. So first of all, why using a featured product slider? So a featured product slider helps keep your customers engaged by displaying your best products in a scrolling interactive way, and is perfect for highlighted best sellers, new arrivals, or even limited time offers. So to get started, there's a few ways that you can do this. There's a free version, there's a paid version, and there's a element appearing into your theme. Now, if I do have the option to customize, of course, my theme, what I can do is to hit into customize. I go for add the section, and here what you can do is to look out for feature product. Now, as you can see, the featured product has a featured product element where we can see that we have the view full details, or we can add a featured product collection. Now, what is not really well about this featured collection is that we are not able to use this as an actual slider. Now, we can enable the carousel into our desktop. We can choose the outline button. We can make the product full width, and we can even add more elements. For example, quick add as a standard. We can choose the ratio, change the script, or make the products to show, for example, only 2 of them. In number of collections, I can choose this ones. But the thing is, what I wanted to do is to make a showcase, to show more than just one product slider. So we have limited options. So for that, I'm going to go back. I'm going to leave the page and don't save this. I'm going to choose a Shopify application for a product slider. So let's open this element that says application. And here into search, I'm going to type the word product slider. Into product slider, I'm going to search the product slider in the Shopify store. Inside here, we have the instant section and page, the builder. We have the product slider carousel, and so much more. So you can choose whatever you wanted to, but what I can totally suggest to you is to look out for a application that does not have a free trial version. You want to focus into a free plan available. Really important element. I'm going to choose to create a new showcase, and basically we have the grid view, the slide view, and for your free version, I think that will be actually it. So let's go for the slide view. Choose the free templates, and into my free templates, I'm going to choose, for example, this style of design. This is how it should be looking, right? So for that, what I need to do now is to head into products, so I can choose a collection I wanted to enable here, for example, the latest products. And into my product limit, let's go for only 8 of them. And lastly, into my design, I choose a single image. Now I'm going to choose my settings. Make sure that everything looks correctly for mobile, tablet, and desktop. So I'm going to just leave this as a default, because by default it does have really great responsive. And lastly, to publish. So this should be automatically saved. But to display this, it should be opening us a new tab into our Shopify editor. And here you make sure that here into the product showcase, you should be appearing in here. So we're going to choose applications. And as you can see, it says, please enter a showcase ID. So when I click here, please hit the showcase ID. We should paste here the showcase ID. And to enter the ID, I'm going to go back. And here, the showcase ID is just the number 1. So just type number 1. And automatically, my product should be appearing in here. So I go back. And I can edit it if I wanted to. So I'm going to choose, for example, product. I choose recently built. Let's go for 5 or 4. And synced with my storefront. Every time I choose to sync with my storefront, this should be now automatically been synced. And all of the changes that you have done inside your store, inside this application, it should be appearing now into the storefront. And there you have it. That's a really easily solution of how we can actually add more than just one product. And there you have it. This is how we can actually add a featured product slider to the Shopify store. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great elements of the Shopify. Thank you once again for watching the video, and well, see you guys next time.